New Zippo, officially licensed, as you can see. U.S. Army. This is U.S. Army Zippo, nothing else branded. Let's open this baby up and get a good look at her. I want you for the U.S. Army. Good old Uncle Sam. Good old Uncle Sam telling you that you are valued. The classic, iconic United States recruitment flyer poster. I believe from the World War II times. Okay. I'm going to take off the child protection lock. There we go. And then we're going to try to get this off. And then we're going to play some target practice. Pretty good. Okay. And then we're going to listen to this Zippo for the first time. Quiet, please. Beautiful sounding Zippo. This is from 2019. The insert 2019. We are going to remove the flint, and this is going straight into our military collection. And we're going to drop the flint in the Zippo half. We're going to drop the flint in the flint half pipe. Oh, that was a good one. Let's try that again. Okay. Okay. We're gonna place our spring back in. Place our insert back in. Beautiful, beautiful Zippo. Just gonna bag it and then place it in the military collection of my Zippos. Thanks.